Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Trading for Beginners. Today in this video, we are gonna learn how to change the language in the OANDA application using your smartphone. To change the language in the OANDA app, you'll need to change your device's language setting. First of all, open your Settings app from your device. Once you're inside the Settings app, scroll down and click on General. Under General, go ahead and look for Language and Region. Under Language and Region, go ahead and select a language you want to change to. Click on Add Language option and choose a different language. Once you change your device's language setting, you'll also be able to change it in the OANDA application. So that's the only way you will be able to change your language setting on OANDA. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.